Alright, so I got a new tool to show off. It's the brand new Cornwell MSM3N1 coolant refiller retention system, as well as a pressure test kit. And it's an all-in-one. It comes with a real long lead, so you're pretty much ready out the gate to work on big trucks with it, where it'll reach the ground. Then additionally, it comes with this exhaust hose. It's pretty short, 5/8 line, so I had some line lying around, so I just cut a longer piece, so that way it reaches the ground. Put that in a bucket, and it's basically just an exhaust. What's cool about this is it's both of these tools, as well as additionally a retention tool, which is right here. There's your part number for Cornwell, and then additionally there's your part number for Mac. Again, this is made by Marvac Scientific. All the tool trucks carry it. Snap-on, Matco, Mac, Cornwell, as well as additionally I believe Proto has it, and I'm sure a couple other brands, but as of now this is exclusive to Cornwell. I believe until next year, from what my dealer tells me. But hands down, this is probably one of my favorite tools to have. I recommend it to any mechanic. It just makes your job so much easier refilling cooling systems. It's pretty much just set it up, and then you can move on to the next job while this is putting coolant back in. It pretty much eliminates any chance of air getting in the system and causing an overheating issue. But what I like about this tool is, this was before I would have to grab different tools, whether I was pressure testing or vacuum refilling. This does both of those jobs. As you can tell, the gauge reads both pressure and vacuum. That's what this one only reads vacuum. So I'll probably just take these home, use them on my personal car, because I love them so much I don't even want to get rid of them. But I'm pretty excited to try this out. As soon as I get a chance, I'll post a video. But yeah, thanks for watching.